Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got a lot of different problems with my Google Chrome. So what I highly recommend to do is to tap on your app and hold it, and then go to App Info. So we will immediately open this app section we've got different categories of actions which we can take. The first of all, I highly recommend to force stop it. So just tap on force stop and confirm it with OK, because usually if it is opened in the background, even though you cannot see it, it will interfere and you will not be able to use it. So after force stop, go to storage and cache. And here we've got this cache section. So just tap on clear cache, your device will immediately remove it. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but not only they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, but they also might interfere, and probably that's why you cannot really open your app. After that, you can try to open the app again, and hopefully it worked. If not, repeat those steps. So again, force stop, remove cache if you've got something saved, and restart your device. So press the power button and volume up button together, and then tap on restart. Your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. And this operation, let's say, kind of confirm all of the changes. So fortunately, after powering your device on, you will be able to use the app. If not, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might misbehave. So let's go to the Play Store. Be aware you need the internet connection, of course, and need internet connection, and you have to be logged in on your Google account in this device. You can do it right after entering the Play Store. It's totally up to you, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now all we have to do is to either check our account to find the updates, or we can simply tap on search and enter the name of the app which we wish to update. So the Chrome in my case. Now we can tap on Chrome, and basically if you've got the update pending, instead of open, you will have the option update. So I highly recommend to simply tap on update, and your device will download the update. It will be applied, and you can try to use the app. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to uninstall the app. So just tap on uninstall, wait until the process will be completed, and then tap on install, because sometimes oversaving the new version of the app might cause some problems. So thanks to uninstalling and then installing again, your device will download the newest possible version and directly install it on your device, so it might help. If not, as a last resort, I highly recommend to actually check for the system updates, because usually those older versions also might cause a lot of problems connected with the newer version of the app and older system version. So all you have to do is to go to the settings. Let me go back. Here in this general list, we have to scroll and find the system, which is right here, and as you can see, we've got software updates. So let's tap. Even though you can see your device is up to date, I highly recommend to tap on system update, and now your device will check for the updates. Obviously now we are up to date, but if your device will show you the information about a new update, I really highly recommend to download it and apply and install it. So you will be sure that you've got the newest version of the system and newest version of the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.